Welcome to Investing in Our Scottsdale Quarterly Recap, highlighting projects from Scottsdale's Capital Improvement Program. Thompson Peak Parkway Bridge. When DC Ranch was built, the city and the developer entered into an agreement that required the developer of DC Ranch to design the Thompson Peak Parkway bridges over the Riata Wash. At the time, the developer was only required to build one bridge due to lack of traffic volume in the new community. When the area developed and traffic volumes warranted it, the city agreed to build the second bridge on the east side of the roadway to accommodate northbound travel. Voters in the 2019 bond election approved $6.3 million in funding, and design work is now underway for the second bridge, which is expected to begin construction later this year. Over time, with development in the area, the Thompson Peak Parkway Bridge has kept up with the vehicular volume. However, with an increase in bicycle traffic along this segment of roadway, only having one bridge has become a safety concern for motorists and cyclists. Currently, the 4 lanes of traffic and 2 bicycle lanes that travel Thompson Peak Parkway merge into 2 travel lanes and 2 bicycle lanes over the existing bridge. Adding the second bridge will allow for 4 vehicular lanes of travel along with 2 bicycle lanes along the entire corridor, completing Thompson Peak Parkway and improving access to nearby schools and parks. Water Campus Connections. The City of Scottsdale is building a new large water transmission main to strengthen the city's water distribution system and help prepare for future growth. This new water main will connect 2 new well sites, a water reservoir, and a booster pump station, all at the city's CIP water treatment facility. By linking these new well sites, which are currently under construction, the project will provide additional capacity to the city's water distribution system, helping ensure a reliable water supply for residents and businesses. The project also introduces a key new capability, the ability to reverse water flow during periods of low demand. During these times, treated water can be sent back into the ground through well sites 160 and 161, recharging the existing underground aquifers. These aquifers act as natural storage, preserving water for future use as the city continues to grow and demand increases. This project represents the 3rd phase of construction on the large water transmission main, which began in early 2025. Construction is expected to be complete later this year, marking another important step in building a resilient and sustainable water system for the city's future. Scottsdale Road. Work is underway to rebuild a 2-mile stretch of Scottsdale Road from Joe Max Road to Dixoletta Drive. The project will improve safety and drainage along this busy corridor in northern Scottsdale. Construction began in December of 2024, and the project is approximately 50% complete. Construction has been taking place both north and south of the Dynamite Boulevard intersection, and this portion of the project is scheduled to be predominantly complete this spring. Work on the redesigned intersection will begin in early 2026 and take place for the remainder of the year. A raised center median has replaced the continuous center turn lane to minimize vehicle conflict points. New left turn in and left turn out lanes are being built at busier crossings. The new profile of the roadway will eliminate dips and rises in the road, which created unsafe conditions and forced restrictions as water collected in low points. New culverts are being built as part of this project to manage storm flows. A shared use path and bike lanes will improve safety and usability for pedestrians and bicyclists. The entire project will receive final paving and striping at the end of the project, which is scheduled to be complete in late 2026. Fire Station 606. The City of Scottsdale is making major improvements to Fire Station 606, located at the northeast corner of Via Linda and 108th Street. Originally built in 1985, Fire Station 606 has served the community for nearly 4 decades. Over time, several of the building's critical systems have reached the end of their useful life. In addition, the station's tri-level design presents operational challenges and does not meet current ADA accessibility standards. The station's sewer line has failed, causing unsanitary backflows, while aging electrical and HVAC systems are also in need of replacement. The renovation will transform Fire Station 606 into a modern, single-level, fully accessible facility designed to better support firefighters and the community they serve. The updated design lowers the existing upper level by 4 feet to align with the main floor and includes an addition to the front of the building. The renovated station will also be equipped to house an ambulance, enhancing emergency response capabilities in the area. This $7.2 million project began in January and will take about a year to complete. These improvements ensure that Fire Station 606 will continue to serve the community efficiently and accessibly for decades to come. Temporary Fire Station. To ensure uninterrupted emergency services during construction, Fire Station 606 crews relocated to a temporary fire station in mid-December. Thanks to a valued partnership with the Scottsdale Unified School District, the temporary station will operate from the former NOAA building near Miracle League and Cholla Park, just a half-mile from the current location. The temporary facility includes living quarters for 4 firefighters, complete with a kitchen, showers, and bunk rooms. A weather protective enclosure will house the fire engine, and during wildfire season, a brush truck may also be stationed on site. Fire Station 606 is staffed by a 4-person crew, including 2 EMTs and 2 paramedics, providing all-hazard emergency response. This temporary fire station allows crews to maintain the high level of service residents expect throughout Scottsdale. And that concludes the latest highlights of capital projects in our community. Thanks for watching.